Hello everyone, I'm Astrophilos and welcome in this new video. Today we are going to see the AP11 at work. But before it, I want to truly thank everyone for the support that you gave to the AP11 project. So AP11 is my first product of my first real brand, Astrophilos. It's an harmonic drive mount with a payload capacity of 5 kilograms. But now let's get started. So what are you going to see in this video is my first experience with it. Obviously, this is not a test, but I used it for real astrophotography, so you will see also the first result of this 3 night. As you will see in the video, I am in vacation, so I am not in the lab, and it's not very professional, but I hope you like this video. So, AP11 now is ready for pre-order, and if you want to pre-order it, please do it now, because we have the last 10 units, okay, for the first batch. If you want to know, the AP11 will start shipping on mid-October and we ship almost everywhere. If you can buy it, if you can pre-order it, so that means that we can ship to your country. Now, let's get started. So I am doing the calibration for the guiding of the AP11 using Acier. And this is also my second time using Acier, so I am not very used to it. So I, to be honest, never used PHD2 on Acier, like I said, so I had to see a little bit of a tutorial online because I am used to like back for a guiding algorithm and so on. And so, sorry for the swimsuit, but I am in vacation. Here you can see my setup. So AP11, ASCAR 71F, 585, and a 224 ZWO for guiding. And here you can see the Acier, obviously. I don't know if you can see there, but now we are using the Acier. This is the guiding we are getting, and keep in mind it's a little bit windy, as you can see from here. And this is the first shot and also the first sub I got from this setup. So as you can see, we are under 1 arc second of total PHD2 RMS using the Acier. My polar alignment was not very good. I am like at 10 arc minute of error, but I am too lazy tonight to do a better alignment. Here, this is a 1 minute exposure. As you can see, stars are good. Obviously, I am not in a very good sky, but it's not so much. And so I had to change a little bit for the calibration and so on. So now I've just done the calibration, and now I will let you see how will the guiding go. So this is I want to take a moment to thank JLC for this video. They played a huge role in the developing of the AP11, giving us prototypes, metal parts when we needed in less than 5 days. As you can see in this video, some of the parts of the AP11 I am showing you right now are from them. So please take a look at their website, where you can do a lot of things about CNC, 3D printing, and PCB design. Thanks a lot, JLC. So now I want to show you the results of this 3 night. Unfortunately, where I am and with the balcony I have, I can do like only 40-45 minutes every night on M27 because I have a very big mountain that is covering me there. Okay, I am on an island in Campania, which is called Ischia, and take a lot to come here, but it's very good, and the sky is better than my house by a lot. So let's get started. Here you can see that for some night I did 180 exposure because it was very windy, as you have seen from the videos, and for other night I did 300 seconds of exposure, as you can see here. So I want to let you see one by one the exposure. Okay, you can see that one of the exposure, this one, is a little bit has a little bit of a star trail, very few, let's say, because of the wind. That's why I am showing it now, so you know it. So and also is a little bit noisy the image, but this is because I have an 585 not cooled. But as you can see here, we don't have any issues in doing exposure of 300 second, 180 second, almost at the full payload, because keep in mind that we recommend it for payload of 5 kg maximum and a focal length of 500 mm maximum. So this setup is very stressful, okay, because it's in the last power, let's say, of the AP11. But I want to show you also with my own PhD2 log lab that you can find here if you want it for free, obviously. This is the guiding session of the last night. So I am showing you this one because it's the one that I use to take picture. Here I forgot to turn tracking on. Yes, I am not very used to ASIAIR, so a rookie mistake. So as you can see, total RMS on average was about 0.91. We had array RMS of 0.72 and a deck RMS of 0.55. I guide with the alpha second cadence, and so as you can see for the drag drift, I didn't have a very good parallel alignment in the range of 10 arc minute of error. I am lazy and I don't have my AAPA or MAR Steiner line with me, so I had to do it manually, and I am not very used to it. Here on setup you can see everything I used. Also keep in mind that this mount works very well with the algorithm from PhD2 called PEC, but here on ASIAIR I don't have it, but obviously as you can see here is not bad. So you can see also the periodic error. So we have a periodic error of about plus minus 50 arc second, okay, but as you can see here they are very consistent. So with a good PhD2 algorithm you can have a very good guiding, as you can see there. Also keep in mind that AP11 is a mount for low focal length, so maximum 500 millimeters. As you can see, the error we removed using PhD2 is the 98%. Also, with this tool, you can also do tuning. What I mean for tuning is that we have a simulator that simulates everything you did, everything the guiding did, and tells you what parameters should have worked better. Obviously, this is simulation, so it's not at 100% sure, but is a good thing that you can see. Here you can also simulate various guiding algorithms and so on. And also I want to show you the very best thing that you can do using PhD2 log lab. In this case, for the AP11, you can have a PDF report with everything inside. Obviously, I will let you download the PhD2 report of the AP11 for that night. So now I want to show you another thing. So now you will see here the first very picture I take with AP11. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and pre-order the AP11 here, and also let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Okay, thank you.